Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gibraltar in Apex Legends. First, master his Dome of Protection. This ability creates a spherical shield that blocks all incoming and outgoing projectiles for 12 seconds. It's perfect for safely reviving a downed teammate, healing yourself in the open, or creating temporary cover during a firefight. Remember, the dome has a 28-second cooldown once it expires or is destroyed, so use it wisely to maximize its impact. Next, leverage Gibraltar's incredible survivability. His gun shield activates automatically when you aim down sights, absorbing 50 points of damage before breaking. This gives you a significant advantage in one-on-one gunfights. Additionally, his fortified passive reduces all incoming damage by 15%. Combined, these two abilities make Gibraltar an incredibly resilient legend, allowing him to absorb more punishment and lead the charge for his squad. Now, let's talk about his ultimate ability, Defensive Bombardment. When activated, Gibraltar calls in a concentrated mortar strike on a designated area for 6 seconds. This powerful ability can be used both offensively to flush out entrenched enemies or defensively to deny an enemy push. Opponents caught in the bombardment are slowed and take substantial damage, making it an excellent tool for area denial and creating opportunities for your team to advance or escape. Finally, strategic positioning is key to playing Gibraltar effectively. As a defensive legend, you should always be at the front of your team, using your gun shield and fortified passive to absorb damage. Communicate clearly with your squad about when and where you're deploying your Dome of Protection or calling in your ultimate. Always try to fight near cover, using your abilities to create safe zones and control the flow of battle for your team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.